Hello, I'm Wendy Stanton. I'd like to discuss an important and exciting breakthrough in energy conservation. The MOTORWISE Group, a leader in energy conservation solutions, has developed a new technology for industries worldwide using electric motors. It's called MOTORWISE, and it's an intelligent AC motor controller that has seen extensive use by major oil and gas producers in the Permian Basin of West Texas. Recent oil field studies show savings of up to 25% on monthly electric bills, with an attractive payback period between 18 and 36 months. Producers and other manufacturers in Texas have hit a $1 million savings mark in only 1 year's time. The MOTORWISE Intelligent Motor Controller is state-of-the-art. It delivers the exact amount of electricity needed for a motor to do its job. Installing MOTORWISE on an oil field pump jack significantly decreases monthly utility bills. We spoke with Brent Lowry, a petroleum engineer at Endeavor Energy Resources.
Well, we initially installed 20 units to look at, and we measured output with MOTORWISE's equipment, and it looked like preliminary results were that it was going to save electricity. So we installed another 100 units. So at that point we had 120 units installed and continued to evaluate them. And by that time we'd seen actual electricity bills come in and could document the difference. And now we have 578 installed, and they're continuing to put more out in the field. And it looks like it saved us $500,000 over the last year.
We also spoke with an early adopter of the technology, Barry Johnson, a production superintendent for Legacy Reserves.
Now there's enough information that I think Mark and them have, MOTORWISE Group has, they have enough to substantiate to improve the savings, from 19 to 22%. I mean, there were some of the units over there, based on how the unit was balanced, the size of the motor, we saw as much as 25% savings.
Produced by the MOTORWISE Group, MOTORWISE units not only save money on electric bills, they also reduce wear and tear on equipment and help optimize production costs.
We're always looking for savings, always looking for opportunity that's going to help our equipment last longer. Obviously, if we're not wearing our gearbox out, our pumping unit out, or our wrist pins, if everything is balanced out and working properly, then everything's going to work downhole better. So we're not going to wear our tubulars out or our rods and pump. So it's just going to create it's the next step in optimization that we're taking.
MOTORWISE units need no maintenance. They have no moving parts, are built to last, and are very simple to install, as characterized by Jasper Jones, president of Stampede Electric Services, who has overseen installation of hundreds of units.
It takes longer to drive to the next unit than it does to install one. Once we drive off, the unit's installed, calibrated, and immediately the company starts saving money.
MOTORWISE doesn't just benefit oil producers. This state-of-the-art technology can also be used to save money in other industries. We interviewed Tim Gregson at Scott Manufacturing, and he is pleased about the results at his facility.
Scott Manufacturing is a 53-year-old fabrication company. We build steel product for different manufacturers all over the country. We have a MOTORWISE unit on a 230-ton press brake. At this point, based off the tests that we've done, it's 24.7% savings, and that's something to get excited about. We have several press brakes in the facility. We run 100-ton, 230s, all the way up to 1,000-ton press brakes. So I think that would definitely benefit those machines. We also have plate rolls, shears, big saws, so basically anything that has an electric motor.
Of course, with new technology comes skepticism.
I was skeptical about it as well, but until we actually went out to the field and saw the power measurements, and eventually we got the electric bills in that indicated we saved 25.8%. That convinced me.
The electricity saved can be used for homes, businesses, schools, and hospitals. And the electric companies currently facing an extreme demand can use that power to keep the lights on.
The technology's sound, the savings speak for themselves. These big companies aren't spending millions of dollars to put these in if there's no value in it.
The MOTORWISE is proven technology that is taking the industrial market by storm. It helps to reduce carbon emissions and alleviate other challenges that companies face as they try to protect our planet and meet growing energy demands. MOTORWISE is perfect at a time when cost savings and affordable green energy are of paramount importance to industry's financial future and environmental sustainability. For more information on MOTORWISE or other energy-saving innovations, please visit the TechnoWise website at www.technowisegroup.com.